Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and I'm happy to announce that MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach is now a premier pontoon boat dealer. These are going to go great with the line we already have, another premium brand, which is Harris. So now you're going to have even more of a selection. One of the things that you're going to see right away when you get on the premier pontoon boats, by the way, this is the 270, this is a brand new 2024 that just arrived, is when you look at the plush seats on this boat, how thick the cushions are, deep, high backrests on here. They're super comfortable. I mean, this is literally more comfortable than my couch is at my house. So that's the first thing that you notice as soon as you get on board. As you start looking around, you're going to see huge storage compartments around, on it. I believe the seating capacity on this one is 19. So, I mean, pick 18 of your best friends and go out for the day. Really innovative storage on the boats. This one has the Simrad digital dash on here. So you've got all your engine functions and your GPS and your fish finder. It's all in one unit right there on the dash. You've got these iPhone charging, wireless charging pads all over the place in the boat. So you're not going to be a place in the boat where you can't put your iPhone on for charge. The captain's chair, look at how comfortable this is, with a flip-up thigh-rise bolster. So if you like to stand up and drive, I can get in behind there. I have an adjustable tilt steering wheel on there. And speaking of that too, take a look at the controls, all thumb controls right here on the steering wheel as well. Super innovative, super high-end pontoon boat. Armrests that flip down on the captain's chair. Huge lounge seat in the back of the boat. So, and you can face either way. If you want, put this backrest down and flip this one up, then it's an aft-facing lounge. Over on the port side here, you've got more storage, place for people to put their hats, their cell phone, their sunglasses. This is a really great boat. We're happy to be a premier dealer in Jacksonville Beach. My name is Grant. Give me a call on my cell phone if you'd like to schedule a time to take one of these out. 904-625-6146.